How to add Walmart associate discount card to Walmart app. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add Walmart associate discount card to your Walmart app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Walmart app and wait for it to load. And once the Walmart app is loaded, here tap on account in the bottom right corner. Then here tap on wallet, and in wallet scroll down. Here you will see discounts and promotions, and here is the associate discount cards, so you have to tap on it to register. So after you tap on it, select a browser. Now enter here email address, then tap on continue. Enter here password and tap on sign in. Then here you have to enter the associate card number and enter here the Win Walmart identification number. And then if you want to use social security number instead, you can tap here and use your social security number, and then here you have to tap on save, and the card will be saved to your Walmart account and you can use it on app. So this is how you can add Walmart associate discount card to your Walmart account. Thanks for watching.